Hello, thank you for joining me for a new and exciting tutorial on the square one. Today I'm going to do some tips on numbers of cases on the edges up here on the top. And this is like probably like the second most important thing to know about the square one as far as the beginning steps of the puzzle. This is really important because it could be very confusing, and it's, when I was learning it, it took me a little while because there's so many different cases, and just wanted to show some tips how to do this, and to make it easier for you so that you're not confused and wondering, how to do it, or you have to watch a couple different videos from a couple different people to try to figure it out. So I'm going to do one video to make it easier for you. So, I have the black version. This is the YUXIN Little Magic magnetic square one, my favorite. We're going to do this case with the two edges on top here. And if it's yellow, because I have, the yellow version too. Yellow, you just put the white on top here, like this, because the yellow goes on top. And then you put the other two on the bottom like this on the right side. This on the right side. Okay, and just give me 1 second. Just got to sort of move these out of the way for a minute. It's Friday. It's almost Friday night. I got my McDonald's coffee as always on a Friday. McCafe. I'm loving it. It gets me pumped up for Friday night to enjoy it. I love coffee. Coffee and cubing. Okay, so we'll do this step first. And what we'll do is we'll start with the slice move. And let's begin. Slice. 3. Slice. -3. -3. Slice. And then we bring this back 3. 1, 3. And there we go. So we got an easy move on the top and bottom. You just do a 1 like that. Slice. -1. And -1 on the bottom. Slice. Bring it back. So that's the first case I wanted to show. I did a little slower, of course. I always try to, just so it's easier to understand. I hate watching any type of cubing video where they go fast and, you're not even sure what they did because they're either trying to show off or prove something or make themselves look good. To me, it's all about, I want to give you understanding how to do it, and slowly, step by step, so you can understand. When you watch the other videos people do like that, you can't understand it. So, that's my point. So we'll move on to the next case, which is this one. This is the X-Men Vault V2M fully magnetic. I'm not a big fan of it, but I'm just using it for the cases. I like the YUXIN Little Magic magnetic much better. So we have the case here on the bottom. If you have this on the top, whether it's, you got the yellow, or if you have the black version, put these two like this in front, like a straight line. Then you put these two on the left side, and we'll do the move. It's the same move as last time. Slice. 3. Slice. -3. -3. slice, bring it back, 3, and we do a slice move. So what that did was we bring this over to this side. I think we just did this case, but that's okay. And you always put it on the right side. If you got a pair like this, sorry, my camera is just, if you got a pair like this and a pair on the bottom, you put it on the right side. Put on the right side and right side. Same move. Slice, 3, slice, -3, -3, slice, 3, and bring it back. Then we got that. So what I'm trying to show is, like, my point in this video is to show you one case leads to the next, and you need to know, like, if you like let's say you just did that move and you come to this case and you don't know how to do it, you know, that's what I mean. You'll get stuck, and then you got to go searching around for other videos to try to find out how to do this. It like if they didn't show it, you know, you got to search around, and you know, it's easier if you just know how to. So 1, slice, -1, -1, slice, back. Okay, so that's the second case. Now we're going to move on to the third case. And this is really easy. I mean, it's, once you see this, this is rare to get like 4 of these on the edges, on the top and bottom. It's very rare. So usually you'll get 3. 1, 2, 3. There'll only be 3 of them. And if you get 3 of them, just put it on the left side. And then you put the other 3 on the left side too. And if you get the 3 or the 4, it's the same move. You do the same move, and it will work. It'll change it. It'll change it into a different case. So we do, on this one, we do 1, slice, -1, -1, slice, bring it back. Then you just, and with these two, you just put it in front. And then these two, same thing. You just put it this way, so it's like straight up and down like this on the same axis here, I guess you could call it. Same move. 1, slice, -1, and -1, slice. And there you go. We solved that. That's case 3. So I'm showing is like, one case will definitely lead to the next. Yeah, so that's how it works for, you know, after you orient the corners and get them in place, you're going to have cases. And each time you'll have different cases as you keep solving it over and over again, or just trying to learn it. You're definitely going to have different edge cases. It's going to happen. Okay, so let's see here. We got this case. Give me 1 second. I want to get drinking my coffee. Okay, so like I showed before, we had a case where we had one edge here and one edge here, just these two, right? And on the bottom, we had these two were on the bottom under here, and we had those two here, and we had these two here. But this time it's reversed. So if you have this case where this is on the bottom, put it straight like this, you know, straight underneath, and you put these two. Yeah, you put these two to the left side, like this, and we'll do this move, and it should give a different case. Slice, 3, slice, -3, and 3, -3 on the bottom, slice, and then we bring it back again, 3, slice. And so see, it turned into this case. So if you have the 2 on the bottom like this, you know, you put the 2 over here like I just showed, and then it'll turn into this case, and then we do the same exact move, slice, 3, slice, -3, -3, slice, and then we bring it back 3, slice. And it gave us the same case again. See, that's what I'm saying is one after another. Slice, or I'm sorry, 1, slice, -1, -1, slice, and there we go. Solved it on the top and bottom. Yeah, so that's what I was really trying to show is like, and you'll have other cases too. I mean, it's almost the same. Pretty much I showed like just about all the cases there is. There might be, like I said, there'll probably be one, there'll be one more sometimes where you have 3 like this, and you put on the left side, and then you put the other 3 over here, like that. So, you know, it's important to know how to do the cases, because then you can move on to the next step, which is, let's see, yeah, we got a pair here, and then just so you could orient the corners on the top, you know, all the way around, and then you orient the bottom, you know, you do the, you know, this one, slice, 3, slice, 3, slice, 3, slice, 3, bring the bar to that side. Sorry, I'm going a little faster. I'm not really, this is really not the goal of this, but just wanted to show slice, 3, slice, 3, slice, 3. Oh, I think I screwed up. That's okay, but you got my point. That's my point. I screwed up. No big deal. I don't want to have to start over on the video. It takes too long. But that's my point is, you know, then you can move on to the next step and orient the top edges of the square one, you know, get them all the way around oriented, and then, you know, you could do the orient the corners on the top, and then you can orient the corners on the bottom, and you'll get it. I'll do it really quick here since I screwed up. Put that on the side. And see, now you got all the corners matching. So that's what I mean. After you do the cases, the different cases all over, then you do this move. You know, you do the move, then you do the bottom, and so on. So that's what I mean. I was just trying to show a little sample. So, you know, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I really do. I mean that. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, you can leave them in the comments. That's fine. I'll be happy to answer them for you. I'll do the best I can. And have yourself a great Friday night. Enjoy your Friday, and have a great day. And I'll be drinking my coffee, enjoying it. Have a great night, everyone.